Fuck, I wish that was my room. That's huge. Money really good. Shelly and getting away there, mate. Getting a bit of a view though.
This room is going to be a beautiful haven for you to come in and relax and rest, and we gain this strength, and we look forward to seeing you down in the box very soon.
Authorised by the Victorian Government 1 Treasury Post Melbourne.
3 is a part of life, so why not make love to it?
Play it.
Hey guys, anyway, as it comes towards the end of this trade, we've got 1 minute left. I've had a lot of people in on my YouTube channel ask me to do a few more videos. All I do is keep it simple. Pretty much when the RSI crosses the 70 or the 30 and my little moving average changes colour and the price is outside of the bands, I take a 15-minute trade, and that's pretty much all I do. Okay, so I've got about a minute left, and as you can see, all my trades are in the money. Okay, I don't expect you guys to do that sort of amount of stacking, as we're coming to the last minute now, and I'll just let the video run to the end of this, and we'll call it quits. It's not deep in the money, but it doesn't have to be with binary. I'm running a trade on gold at the moment, and it's going pretty well, and I'm running one on Chef Dollar, and it's pushing up nice. Back to what we were doing, and we'll go back over here. 9 seconds to go, and these will all close in a second. 2, 1, and it's finished, and they'll all close, and it's a tidy little profit. And there we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. And there's probably about 8,000 or something. Anyway, that's what I do. You can find moving average on the internet. It's nothing spectacular. It's not paid one, it's one I just found on the internet. RSI is standard with your MT4. The arrow thing and the rest of it is binary destroyer. If you want me to send you to that site, that's up to you guys. If not, I can't give it to you, so don't ask me for it. And that's about it. I'll leave it there. Thanks. Bye.